So now we're gonna do another recipe that is the risotto with porcini mushroom. This is 50 grams of porcini mushroom that has to go in the water and soak for a bit. This is our hot water where I'm gonna dissolve 2 cubes of stock. We're gonna chop very fine scalogno.
Fry the scalogno in the pan with the melted butter and olive oil and toast the rice for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the porcini from the water and roughly chop them.
When you get to this point with the risotto, you add the porcini.
Add the stock to the rice bit by bit and stir until absorbed.
So this is our risotto, how it will look in the end. Now I'm gonna add some Parmigiano, and as an optional, if you want, you can add also a bit of truffle olive oil. So this is our risotto. Smells really nice, really nice.